Okay, today we're going to do our Unit 1, Notes number 12, is the solution. So this is going to be our last notes before we take our test this week. So whenever we're solving, or whenever we're determining is it a solution, there's two different ways you can do it. We can, one, solve for a variable, which is exactly what we've been doing. So we solve the equation using our inverse operations. And then like in the question, they'll say, given this equation, determine if this number is a solution. Well, if whenever you get down to the end and you get x equals, if that number is not the number they gave you, then it's not a solution. Our other way is to plug in what they give us for x and just simplify. Now, whichever way, it doesn't matter. Both will be okay. I will explain it both ways on the first couple problems on this. So these are simple two-step equations. So for this one, it says given 5x minus 6 equals 9, determine if 3 is a solution and explain your answer. So an important part of this is you have to explain. So yes, it is a solution, or no, it is not a solution. So I am going to first solve this one. So I'm going to add 6. I get 5x equals 15. And then divide by 5. I get x equals 3. Is that what I wanted to get? Yes. So, is 3 a solution to this equation? You would put yes, it is a solution. So make sure you explain that. You cannot just put yes or no. Okay, the other way to do it is to plug in 3 for x. So I'm going to have 5 times 3 minus 6 equals 9. So I'm going to simplify this complete left side. So I'm going to do 5 times 3, which is 15, minus 6. So 15 minus 6 is going to give you 9. Does 9 equal 9? Yes. So if your sides equal each other, it's going to be a solution. If your sides don't equal each other, it will not be a solution. So I would also put yes, it is a solution. So I don't care which way you do it. So it can be either or. Okay, the next one I have 5x minus 6 equals 9. Determine if 2 is a solution. So I'm going to solve this one. I'm going to do it both ways again. You get 5x equals 15. If you guys don't realize, this is the same problem from above. So I get x equals 3. Is 3 what I wanted to get? No. So you would put no. 2 is not a solution. So whenever I plug it in, this is how it would look if it was not a solution. So I would do 5 times 2 minus 6 equals 9. So 5 times 2 is going to be 10. And then minus 6, you're going to get 4. Does 4 equal 9? No. So you would put no. It is not a solution. Okay. I don't care which way you do it. I'm probably going to stick with the solving because I feel like we're a lot more comfortable with solving than we are for plugging in. But if you want to do it the other way, that is perfectly fine. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to subtract 16. I'm going to get 10x equals 16. And then divide by 10. You're going to get x equals 1.6. Is that what I wanted to get? No, I needed to get 2. So is a solution? No, it is not a solution. Okay, next one. Determine if 1 is a solution. Subtract 16. 10x equals 16. Divide by 10. You get x equals 1.6. Is 1 a solution? No, because it is 1.6. Those are two different things. So those are still different. So you put no, it is not a solution. Okay, next one, I have 3x plus 16 equals 22. So I'm going to change it up, and I'm going to do it the other way in case you want to do that. So I'm going to have 3 times 2 plus 16 equals 22. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to have 6 plus 16 equals 22. And then 6 plus 16 will equal 22. So 22 equals 22. Since my sides are the same, this is a solution. Okay, so that is our notes for the day. They were short and sweet. Let us know if you have any questions, and you guys can get started on either your homework or your practice test.